exhibits must be transferred to FSL immediately but not later than 7 working days in exceptional circumstances. Colonel Jacob indicated that he was informed by FSL that there was no space for the exhibits. This seems to be a regular occurrence. In the other seizures referred to earlier, the reason for non-compliance with the 7-day period appears to also be that FSL has no capacity to receive the exhibits.
General, can I just take you back to that last sentence in paragraph 60? The alarm was also not maintained. I understood you to say because of load shedding, whenever power came back on, it had to be reset.
Yes, it does not automatically reset, so it had to be reset. So it tells us, Commissioner, that even the battery backup systems were in all probability not fully functional anymore.
And whose failing would it have been to make sure that doesn't happen, that the alarm is reset, the battery is always functioning in that center? Well,
Commissioner, I believe that the problem emerged subsequent to the contract with a security company expiring on the 31st of March 2020. So it means subsequent to that, there was no link between that alarm system and the security company. And also the equipment per se was not maintained. So new batteries was, for instance, not installed in case of load shedding.
Okay, so absent the renewal of the contract, the station or the office couldn't do anything about this alarm situation?
No, those type of processes need to be dealt with by supply chain management within the provincial office of the DPCI, or if it's depicted within the fashion that it's perhaps the responsibility of the owner of the building. Okay. I do not know what was the case at Port Shepstone.
Thank you. Thanks, General.
Thank you, General. And then paragraph 62 on page 23.
This may indeed be what FSL communicated to the investigating officers when requests were made to FSL, but I wish to highlight the matter that casts doubt on the veracity of this version. On the 9th of July 2021, a few weeks after the 541 kilogram cocaine seizure, officials seized 700